Well-designed tables can have a huge impact on the professionalism of your document.
Here's an example of a well-formatted table. We've given the first row a dark cell color, and we've given the second and final rows a lighter cell color. We've also given the title a white font so that it stands out against it, and we've made it italics. We've also made the column titles bold and italics to show that they're not really part of the main data, they're just labels. We've also made sure to use right alignment when we have numbers in the table, and left alignment for the row titles, and left alignment generally looks better with text. A key thing here is that whenever you align your data a certain way, you want to make sure that you align the titles that way. So we've got right aligned data, we're going to have right aligned column titles. We've also made sure that we've got evenly distributed columns here. So these are all the same width, and that can look really professional. We've also made sure to include a units of measure and included notes here by making that superscript, just a 1, and provided notes in the bottom row. And this is one of my favorite table styles to use. You can change the colors or change any features of this, but this can hopefully spark some ideas of what you can make your tables look like.